So let's create some images for your signs then. So the first thing you want to do, get internet connection and open your internet browser, and you're going to need a couple of different websites here. The first one is LEDSignHire.com/editor, and you will need to download Flash for your computer if you don't have it. Download Flash and then open this, and it should look like this here. So we're going to create a new image. Now here's where you set the size of the image. If it's for the old signs, which is signs 1 to 10, then the size is 192 wide by 96 high, like that. And that's what our sign size is looking like. If you have the newer signs 11 onwards, then we're going to create a different size because they're slightly different size. So the width will be 240 and the height is 160, and there's a new size sign right there. So depending on which sign you have, 1 to 10 is this one, which is 192 by 96. Signs 11 onwards are 240 wide by 160 pixels high. So once you've done that, you can delete whichever one we don't want here. Let's create an image. Let's say you've got a coffee shop and we want to promote the coffee. So first thing we're going to do is get a nice image of the product. So I've just gone to Google here and typed in coffee and gone to images. Be careful on copyright here. Select the image that you want to use. So we've got one here. I'm going to right click and save that image under my downloads. Save it as coffee cup or just coffee. Save. Once I've saved it, I'm going to go back to my image and I need to open that saved image. So you need to click open and find that image. There's my coffee cup. The next step is to make this coffee cup image the correct size. So I'm going to go up to the top. So make sure you've got this window selected that you want to change the size. Image, image size. Now we want the width to be 192 because that's the width of the actual sign image. So width 192, okay. And there we've resized that. So that's going to fit nicely. We can drag these around. Okay, so once I've got this window selected, I'm going to hit Control A. When I do that, Control A, you'll see these dotted lines appear around the image. You've just selected the entire thing. And we're going to do Control Copy. Control C, which is copy. You can go edit copy as well. Once we've copied that, we come up to our image, click on the bar here, select this image now, and we're going to Control V or edit paste. Now what we've done is we've put that image onto our sign background. Now if I click this little arrow here, the move tool, click that, and then I use the up and down arrows on the keyboard, I can move that around. So I'll move it down a little bit if I want, or up, whatever you want to do, you can move that around. Okay, so next thing we want to do is we want to add a little bit of text into this image. There's two ways of doing that. Number one is to go to this icon down here, the type tool, click on that, and then click on the image, and we can type in whatever we want here. best coffee. We can make it whatever color we want by clicking on that little color box. White, and we can change the size. Let's make it 20. That's a bit small. 25. That's fine. And bold. And OK. Click on the arrow, and we can move this around. So that's how we put the text on there. Now, you can't really read that too well, so what we'll do is we'll create a bar that's a different color so you can read that a lot better. So to do that, we're going to do layer, new layer, and that's just added a new layer to our drawing. On the right hand side, the picture is made up of layers. So we've got the best coffee, the writing here. We can turn that on and off. We've got the new layer, which has nothing on it at the moment, and we've got the layer 1, which is our coffee cup. We can turn that on and off. So make sure you've got the new layer selected. We're going to go over here, drawing tool, and we're going to draw a rectangle, just like that. And that's already black because we've got black down here in the color. Click on the best coffee, so you've got that layer selected. Click on the arrow, and then press the up key to move that text to the top. Now I want to move the coffee cup down a little bit, so I'm going to click on the coffee cup layer on the right. And now down arrow, we'll bring that down a little bit. And there we go. If I want to change the color of the text, make sure you've got the right layer selected, which is the best coffee layer. Click on the text, and we can change that to whatever color we want. Then, file, save as coffee, quality, 100% JPEG, save. Save that as something else, and that's it. That's that image saved. Another way of getting some text on there is to do the following. So we use a website called Cool Text Graphics Generator at the top here. If you click on that, so it's cooltext.com. So let's say I wanted to use, I can use any one of these fonts here, and you can customize them. So let's say this one here. Type in what you want to say. Best coffee, and let's click on logo. Let's change the colors slightly. Yellow and a light orange. Looks pretty good. So you're going to click create logo and download, and now as you can see in the corner, it's downloaded onto my computer, that logo now. So back to my image, what I need to do is open that logo that I've just done. So file, open image, it's in my downloaded files. There it is, cool text. Double click on that, and there's my writing. So it's not the right size at the moment. It's 494 wide. Our picture is only 192. So if I click on this here, make sure it's selected, image size, width 192, or however big you want that. Okay. There's my writing. So I'm going to, again, Control A to select all. You can also do this another way by edit, select all, like that, and then edit, copy, or Control C. Make sure you go across here, click on this one, and we're going to Control V, or you can edit, paste, same thing. Now to move that new text up, I'm going to click on the arrow, hit the up key until we've got it in the right position. We had that old text there before. I want to get that out of the way. So on the right hand side, we've got that best coffee layer. Let's just untick that. Now it's gone. So that's my picture done. I'm going to save that as coffee 2. And you do that for as many slides as you want. And then you can use one of the other videos to upload them to your sign. Any questions, give us a call on 1300 LED Hire. Thanks for watching.